Okay, how's it going, people? Oh my god, I can't believe this. I haven't done this in a while. For months, I guess. Damn it, I feel so weird, man. I haven't done this in a while because of this and that reason, and now I'm back. I'm back. Feels so great. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to make choice. I mean, a pro a choice program, I guess we can call it choice program. And let's just run the example right here. It is actually very short of a program. Look at this. How easy can we do this right now? Look at this. Yeah, this is the overall of the code. It basically creates a program, a choice program like this. When you click on this icon, you can see multiple choices appear. Okay, okay, yeah, it's basically like that, and you can add a little bit more, like a background image on it or something. But today, wait, yeah, a background image that is also a tutorial that I made before this. But today we're going to do the choice program tutorial. Okay, so first let's just not use that because of course we're going to create a new project. Yeah, as you can know by my previous video, I usually done this with music in the background, and because I can't use my voice because I don't have anything to record with it. Now let's create the project name Java Choices. Let's click next and then click finish. Now we have this project, and of course we need to create the class. It's loading a little bit. It's yeah, okay. Create the class name choice program. Can you do that? Yeah, I guess we can just go with that name, or maybe not. I just let's just change it to Java choice. Finish. Now when we get to this stage, usually the video before like this, I usually came out with the text that says follow my code. Now it's basically the same, but with me, that is with me being your tour guide on how to create this program. Okay, so first we're going to extend JFrame like usual, like that, and then we import the JFrame. Now we get to create the JFrame first. JFrame f equals new JFrame. Give it a name. Let's give it a title. Choice program. Okay, so first of all, we're going to create the frame of the application, or the program, I mean. First, let's do the size of the frame. Set size, let's set it to 400 by 400, and then set the layout to null. And why is it not working? Why is it not working? Okay, why is it not working? Okay, so now we're going to create everything that comes with the frame of the program. Why is it like this? Oh, of course, you 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 stupid. I forgot to create the the class of the Java choice. Yeah. Now I know why it doesn't work. Nah, like that. Now it should work 100%. Okay, let's do this and paste that in there. Now let's do f dot set size. Let's do the size of it, and 400 by 400, and then the layout. Set layout no. Then set the visibility of it, because if you don't set it to visible, then you won't be able to see the frame at all. After we set the visibility, let's f dot set default close operation, jframe dot exit and close. This piece of code right here, make sure that whenever we click on the exit button of the program, we will quit that program, because if we don't use this line of code, then when we click the exit in the exit of the program, we won't quit the program. We need to do it manually from the console. Let me just we can't show it up just yet, because we haven't created the static void method. After this, let's see, now let's create the public static void main method. Now we call the object Java choice. Now it should run. Okay, now let's just try run the code and see if it works. Now we got this frame of the program, which we'll add the choices into it later. Now let's just exit this. Okay, after that we need to create the choice. First of all, let's create the choice. So C equals new choice. C dot set bounds. Set bounds is moves and reset this component to conform to the new bounding rectangle R. This component's new position is specified by R dot x and R dot y, and its new size is specified by R dot width and R dot height. Okay, so first, as the explanation suggests, first we'll set the x of the object. First we set the x of the object. It's going to be on 150, and the y is on 150 also, so it makes it in the middle. And now we create the size of the object. We set it by 80 and 80, width and height. And after that, we add choices into that choice object. See the add, it's a string, choice 1. Well, maybe let's do a little something different right here. See the add, I don't know, maybe name of dinosaurs, I guess. Like it's T-Rex, and see the add is going, no, it's not add. See the add, it's going to be a triceratops. Triceratops. C dot add. No item listener. It's not item listener. C dot add. What else is dinosaur that we have? Brachiosaurus. Then maybe one more. C dot add. C dot add. Let's think of a Pachio. No, it's not. Let's choose. Give me suggestions. Come on. Dinosaurs. Oh yeah, the the Velociraptor. Now we have added the choices into the object. The last thing we need to do is to add this choice object inside the frame of the program, right? And all we need to do is the add C, because C is this choice object. Choice C, and that's it. That's all you gotta do. I mean, let's see the outcome. Yeah, here we go. We got the T-Rex, we got the Triceratops, we got the Brachiosaurus, we got the Velociraptor, and Brachiosaurus here is a little bit cut on the edge of the word because we made the choice objects a little bit small. Now let's create a little bit wide, 100, for example. There we go. Now we had it a little bit wide. Now we can see Brachiosaurus wide and clear. I guess that's it. I mean, besides that, you can add multiple more choices. Let's see how many choices you can add. No, not like that. Yeah, like that. Yep. Let's try to run it. There we go. When you create choices more than, I guess, how many is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe more than 8 choices, this choice class or object will automatically gives you a scroll bar for you to scroll through your choices like this. Even maybe if we have more choices, then the scroll bar will be extended out automatically. Now we add a bunch of more, and let's see. Yep, the scroll bar is extended, and the program works just fine. It works 100%, and it is really easy to do. So I guess that's it, guys. I mean, like it is an easy thing to do. You can just cover your eyes and do it with one hand to do this program, because it's super easy, and it's super easy to implement to your other programs. Like you can add it to your background image program or add music program or anything like that, and you can do it just fine. I guess that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you can do it on your own. You can experiment with it, and you can build something that is greater from this program. And I guess see you later, and happy coding.